Today we talk about how can you delete your account on your TC app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down. You click here on delete account here. So then you click here on yes, delete my account. Then automatically it's going to delete your account here on your TC app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.